Welcome to Forex Bunker's Weekly Wrap, where we go over the master candles and the weekly analysis for the week. Firstly, we'll start off with master candles. There was 8 master candles across GJ and GU this week, but all of them were no trades because they did not break the B1, B2 or B3 candles. So there's no real point of diving into that any further, as we all know it's 0. So moving right along to the weekly analysis, we'll start off with GU. Now we can tell this is a daily chart, and you can see how price broke through the daily trend line that was moving up. We had a nice third bounce here many weeks ago, and that broke a new high. And as you can see now, price is starting to push down further. We've had new lows, no new highs down through this area. Every single one has been a low, a high. Now, as we've pushed down, we have seen basically a sideways movement this week, fighting between these two zones. There's a couple of hundred pips here. The last of the week, the American news wasn't the best, and the pound pushed against it, but it did not make a high from this consolidation area. We should see a further push down, I think, this week. We might be targeting these lows over the long period, but it's a little unclear which way the pair really wants to go. As you can see, we've been pushing up for quite a long time, so we could see a further push up, but it will need to find its base first. I don't think it has found it yet, since we're still making new lows. Alright, let's have a look at GJ. GJ had a nice trade short at the start of the week. I was unfortunate and I missed it. This is also a daily chart. It was from a daily trend line. Basically, price returned to it, tested it to see if it could break through, and it didn't. And it pushed on through. But you notice that we only made a couple of pips low. So essentially made a double bottom here. The last part of the week, we had a fair bit of rejection to the north, so we could be seeing a further move south. It'll have quite a strong resistance of this double bottom, as there seem to be a lot of buyers around this area, but not enough to push it higher. Next level that people will be aiming for will be this low, around 27.50, 27. So we'll see how that level goes. But as price is still making new lows, and here's our second touch for this daily trend line, we could see a move down, a move up, and then probably a push all the way through. We'll see how this pans out. This will take many days, many weeks to show us which direction it wants to move in the long term. Keep your eye on the news and trade well. I hope you all had a great week, and I wish you all the best for the week to come.